As someone who is a tech expert with a degree in data science, I'll be the first person to tell you that you don't need any specific piece of education to excel with AI. AI is a tool, and specifically when we look at the productivity benefits of it, it can be almost applicable across every industry and every role. What I like to call as a low-hanging fruit of AI is using it to identify those opportunities to refine time spent on meetings, communications, emails, and tasks. If you're in any type of role into which you're communicating with other people, these are the use cases for all. I've seen people talk about AI for all, I've seen people talk about data and technology for all, and this is the time. As we approach and go deeper and deeper into this deluge of AI, we start to see how it's applicable across some of our processes, our operations, and our day-to-day, and the other common tools we have at work to integrate AI a layer below. And what we call that is contextual engineering. This is essentially prompt engineering 2.0. Instead of just asking it to refine or pull you a specific information, you're actually asking it to execute or modify a particular piece of job that you would then have done manually across a macro scale of data. So when we think about macro versus micro scale AI, there's going to be use cases that can be scaled across departments. There's going to be use cases that are only relevant to you. But think about the 80 to 20 rule. 20% of the use cases are going to be applicable across a whole entire organization, where that 80% is going to be more so specific to you, your remit, and your role. Now, let's talk a little bit about what happens after contextual engineering. Let's say, hypothetically, you've saved 5-6 hours a week using AI, and you have all of this new unlocked time per week. This is where things get a little bit weird. It's going to seem abstract. It's going to seem vague, but this is literally the opportunity cost that AI has gifted you. What would you do with an additional 4 hours per week? Would you focus on data and analytics, or would you focus on refining the creative aspects of your job, if you're even able to do so? This is where the human-first aspect of AI comes into place. If I could show you a way to give you 4 to 6 hours back a week, what then would you do with that time? I won't be the one to tell you, but I'll be the one to help you identify other areas across data and technology to go above and beyond. Because once we've learned AI and we become more masters at the data in our realm, that's when our data strategy starts to come together like pieces of Legos. And we go from pouring out a box of random pieces into actually putting together a vessel of success with a destination of growth. This is where the next level of AI comes, and you're probably not going to see a lot of this till 2027.